Medyo dark or light lang konti.
Minsan conscious ako kapag tumitingin yung tao sa armpits, lalo kapag hindi ako prepared. That has been my insecurity ever since I was young. Hi, I'm Sashi Trinidad, or Sashi, and I'm 22 years old.
Hi, my name's Erica. I'm 24.
So hi, I'm Rosen Aubrey Lacaste. I'm 23 years old.
Hi, I'm Kay Crispo and I'm 26 years old.
Hi everyone, I'm Rona Jane Bivilla Hermoso. I'm 27 years old.
On a scale of 1 to 10, gaano ka ka-proud ipakita kilikili mo in public?
I would say I'd give it a 4. Honestly, because of the stereotypical thing that's happening, the taboo things about underarms, especially on women, whether they're dark, sweaty, or hairy. That has been my insecurity ever since I was young. So yeah, I'd give it a 4.
In public, like yung mall lang, ganon, I would say 6. Ganun, or 7 maybe. Because personally, I don't really care about, if other people are looking at it, ganyan. Because my way of expression is through clothing. Whatever clothing I wear, yun yung susuot ko.
I would say probably a 3. Kasi hindi ako confident about armpits since isa siya sa mga insecurities ko. And we all know society na very judgmental pagdating sa mga bagay na usually insecurities ng mga tao. So,
6. Medyo dark or light lang konti.
Mga 7. Sometimes lalo pag di pa nag-shave or out of nowhere na yun, hindi siya ganun kaputi. That's why.
Nagka-time na ba na gusto mong itago ang kilikili mo sa lahat ng tao? And bakit?
Yes. Actually, most of the time. Kasi minsan napapansin ko, parang may mga tao na minsan hindi maiiwasang tumitingin sa armpits, ganyan, or like, naghahanap talaga sila ng flaws sa katawan mo. Minsan conscious ako kapag tumitingin yung tao sa armpits, lalo kapag hindi ako prepared, or like, hindi pa ako nakakapag-wax, ganyan. So, conscious talaga ako. So, this happened when I was in high school, and I have my guy friends. And of course, as a guys, hindi naman sila ganun ka-knowledgeable about armpits ng girls, or like, sanay silang nakikita yung armpits ng girl na hairless, maputi, ganyan, or like kung ano yung napipicture nila na nakikita nila on social media or on TV. So on that time, I was wearing a t-shirt, and then syempre, hindi naman ako nag-wax on that day. Parang nakita lang nila na parang may hair yung armpit ko, and they were like, ala, may hair yung armpit niya. Tapos parang ang nasa isip ko lang nun, is it that normal? Pero syempre, I understand the guys din sila. Pero at that point, I was really ashamed and embarrassed na parang, oh my God. So parang na-judge ako.
Yeah, actually before, I've used lots of product. Then, yun, nagkaroon siya ng darkness, a little chicken something. I try a lot. Then, nowadays, ngayon, siguro, nag-try din ako mag-derma. Then, yun, para ma-enlighten yung nagamit kong products before.
Yeah, so I've been trying to hide my underarms for the longest time, ever since I was like a child. Because through puberty, things change in our body, and same with me. I didn't know any better on how to take care of my underarms. So in result, yes, I have also gone the phase that my underarms have been very, very dark, to the point that I couldn't even wear anything, like even as this top in public. So throughout my entire high school, I suffered with not only dark underarms, but also quite the BO face as well. Yeah, I've been hearing from people that it's not an open thing to talk about, and it's quite looked down upon, sadly, even though it's quite a normal thing that most young girls experience throughout puberty.
In public, yes. Pero sa bahay, hindi naman. So, confident pa rin ako sa bahay namin na itaas yung kilikili ko.
I wouldn't say it's a bad memory, pero yung time na super na-conscious ako was nung first time ko maka-receive ng jersey kasi I was on a volleyball team. And ayun nga, I was in the middle of struggling dark armpits and hairy armpits. So, nung binigyan kami ng jersey and maglalaro kami in public, parang na-conscious ako, hindi ko alam kung paano ako maglalaro. Ganon.
Why do you think ang daming Pinoy na obsessed sa maputing kilikili?
I think through the years kasi, wala pang internet, ganyan, through TV commercials, super marketed na talaga yung mga whitening product. Like, starting pa lang na mga ads to whiten dark spots, ganyan. Growing up and watching those ads, medyo nakaka-conscious na, whiten? Morena ako. So, parang, hindi ko alam kung paano magbe-make sense na I have dark skin and paano iwa-whiten yung areas na hindi pa ako aware na dapat whiten siya, ganun. Through social media talaga, it widely spread how our skin should look like and how it should be taken care of when, yun nga, dapat naturally, we should embrace how we should be, how it normally looks like.
And kapag sinabing maitim na kilikili, para sa'yo, insult ba yun or normal lang?
Parang dahil nga sa Pilipinas tayo, so parang nagiging insult yung pag sinabihan ka ng maitim yung kilik-kilik.
It is an insult to so many, including very conscious people about their underarms.
I think it's normal. It depends on the skin.
I think when you point it out, it's an insult. Pero if you're aware of yourself, I think it's normal.
I think for some, it's an insult, pero it's really normal. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman natin lahat may iwasan na maitim minsan yung kilikili or ganyan. Kasi, minsan, hyperpigmentation or like, hindi lang talaga sila knowledgeable paano alagaan yung kilikili nila. And I think it's kind of natural. Pero yun nga, nagiging insult lang siya dahil sa tingin ng society natin na napipicture siya as bad thing. Kasi nga, nakakakita sila ng mas better than it.
Would you date someone na mabango pero maitim yung kilikili? Or maputi pero mabaho?
Mabango pero maitim ang kilikili.
I go for kahit maitim pero mabango.
For me siguro, na lang, maitim pero mabango.
I think maitim ang kilikili pero mabango. Kasi, personally lang naman, mas binavalue ko yung hygiene. Like, for example, pwede namang maitim yung kilikili niya just because by hyperpigmentation or like dark skin talaga siya na hindi ganun kaputian talaga yung kahit armpit niya. So, I think I would understand that one. Kesa sa maputi pero medyo smelly. Although, no judgment naman. Syempre, hindi ko pa din naman alam ang reason kung bakit siya medyo mabaho. Pero yun, for personal take lang, I would prefer yung maitim pero mabango.
Pwedeng wala. Joke. Pero ang controversial, pero para sa akin, siguro, mabaho, pero muti yung kilikili. Kasi, kasi I think nowadays, it's much easier to find treatments to target body odor. And it's much more cheaper and it really focuses on the hygiene, diba? But when it comes to whitening kasi dark armpits, no matter how you wanna i-instill yung confidence sa partner mo, hindi mo mabibigay yun agad because whitening dark part takes time. Pero kapag body hygiene na target mo talaga, I think it's fairly easier. So, yan.
Complete the sentence. My kilikili is my...
Is my pride. Dark or not, hairy or not, it's mine and it's mine alone.
My kilikili is my responsibility. Siyempre, diba, yung kilikili natin, responsibility natin na maging mabango, maging fresh, maging maputi, like that.
My kilikili is my proof of self-care.
My kilikili is my crown because it deserves to be worn with pride.